I want to share this with you, ladies and gentlemen. We are not here to, you wake up in the morning, tingnan mo yung katabi mo, nag-makeup pa yan. Kita mo naman. Nag-makeup pa yan, pumasok sa opisina, all the way to what? Hustle, grind, had the discipline to achieve success.
And I think this is very important because it taught me that I should not be afraid of making mistakes, that I should not be afraid in making or jumping a hurdle,